of my delight between my thighs. Up so high at the center of my mountain's peak. My peak speaks and says, come and pleasure me. Send a signal to my other parts to stimulate interruption. Start with slow succulent kisses until my love comes down. Sensitivity sets in after the release of a long-awaited storm. Pleasure in me, hoping, wishing, anticipating when we no misunderstandings. You will be sure to dive in, knowing what's expected. Explore me to see the parts that were untouched, reassembled just for you. Once you have prepared me for your gentle endowment, gain speed slowly as our eyes meet. Now I must get a taste of me.